what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Broken on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning and you won't need a capo. Chords are going to be C and E minor for the whole song, but you're going to be arpeggiating them, which means playing like a melody with them. So, like I said, C and E minor. C is open 3-2, open 1, open. And E minor is open 2-2, open, open, open. Okay, but when you play the melody that's in the song, you don't need your pointer finger on the 1 of the B string here. So you just need your ring and your middle finger on 3 and 2 of the A and D string. So the melody goes. So that's and then you move down to that E minor shape, but you don't play that low E, you play the A. Picking the same pattern. And that's it. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.